Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to create a Stripe payment link. Firstly, navigate to the HubSpot contact you want to create a payment link or invoice for. On the right hand side, find the SaaS Happily subscription card and click Action on top of the card. Select Create Hosted Invoice or Payment Link. In the pop-up window, on the top right corner, select either Send Payment Link or Send Invoice. Click Add Products and choose the products and set the correct quantities. Now double check all product info, click Generate Payment Link or Generate Invoice, and Stripe will now create the link. For payment links, find it in the SaaS Happily timeline events or check the contact property created payment link which shows the most recent link. For hosted invoices, access the link by opening the customer subscription details, and now your customer can easily pay via Stripe using the hosted invoice or payment link. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.